Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you guys basically the code.org of coding. I went back to coding to just test it out. I really have seen the hour of AI. So code.org sponsored in partnership with, I think, collabed with AI. So I'm not very sure. Yeah, so I'm gonna try some of these out. I'm not very sure about this, so I'm gonna be going to Hour of AI resources. Not very sure if I'm doing this or not. Hour of AI one pager. Download Google Slides. Okay, so you could download these and add your own posters, printable stickers. That would be cool. Yeah, let me see over here that I could use this. Power one pager. Okay, so these are just handout slides. So let me try the AI activity. So hour of AI activities, legacy hour of code activities. So here he had the generation of AI of Minecraft, Music Lab, Dance Party AI edition, and AI for Oceans. So I'm going to be trying all of these out to see if it all works. Not very sure about the Minecraft one, if I could do that. I'm not very big Minecraft fan personally, so yeah. So I'm going to try this. So let's see if the AI code, how AI works. I'm not going to be playing this video just for you guys know for copyright issues and also the sound. So I'm going to continue. Let's see about this. I remember playing this when I was in class, learning about codes, and I remember. Oh, okay. Okay. Wait. How do you turn off the sound? I don't even know if you could even turn off the sound. Wait. Okay. I didn't even read it. Be so sad. Didn't even read it. Let's see if this works. Okay. Garbage dumped in the water affects marine life. In this activity, you will program or train AI, artificial intelligence, to identify fish or trash. Let's clean up the ocean. Click anywhere on the screen to continue. I feel like... Okay, let's meet AI. AI does not know if the object is a fish or trash, but it can process images and identify patterns. To program AI, use the buttons to label an image as fish or not fish. The training we provide will teach AI to recognize patterns on its own. Let's get started. So this is a fish. I think that's a fish. Fish, fish, not fish. 17 billion pounds of plastic enter the ocean each year. Wait, that's actually crazy. You are programming or training AI, which each click keep going. Let's see if I could do this really quickly. 80% of ocean pollution comes from the land debris, and it estimates to cost 13 billion per year. That's actually crazy. AI learns from your choices. If you make wrong choices, AI will repeat your mistake. Keep training. The more data you provide AI, the more it learns. Keep training your AI or continue when it's ready. Okay, so here on the side, you can see how much that you have trained your AI bot. So I'm gonna go keep on going. Let's see if I could get to 100. Okay, so I got to 110, so let's see over here. So let's go click on continue. Now let's see if AI knows if it's fish or real. AI will analyze a random set of objects and label them based on training. Let's go. Okay, so I could speed this up or keep go back. Okay, I think I kind of messed up on one of them, so I'm not very sure which one. Okay. Okay. This sounds like music, not gonna lie. I'm just kidding, guys. Oh, wait, that's bad. So click on to switch between objects identified as fish or not fish. You can train AI from one, or you can continue. Do we want to really train? Because I only got like one wrong. Okay, let's just continue. Let's see, so far we trained AI to identify objects as either fish or not fish. What if retraining data was used to decide what belonged in the water? What would happen to other sea creatures? Does our training approach cause unintended consequences? Let's see. Did you not notice that AI identified some sea creatures as not fish? While these sea creatures are not fish, they do belong in the water. AI only learns what we teach it. Let's train AI again. Okay. In the ocean, plastic debris can harm fish, seabirds, and marine mammals. Protecting seabirds and marine life is one of the many reasons to keep the ocean clean. Oh my god, is that an otter? I love otters. I need to be like really careful with this. It's like marine plastic pollution has impacted at least 267 species worldwide, including 86% of all sea creature species. What if I get to like 1,000? Like, have someone ever gotten to like 1,000? Just click down below and comment down below. Wait, the more data you provide AI, the better it will do. Keep training AI or continue when you're ready. No, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes. I'm like looking at the screen. Wait, did I like? I swear I just got that messed up. No. I was gonna click on yes. Fish. No. Fish. No. Yes. Fish. No. 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 Fish. I'm not really sure how much I need to train this actually, so I'm just gonna keep on going until I really just get to possibly 200. I'm not very sure. Sorry if I make this video a little bit too long, but no, I just click on no. I was gonna click on yes. Oh my god, no. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got 200. Okay, let's go continue. Do you think AI will do a better job identifying what should be in the water? Let's watch. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to continue. AI did good, actually. Yeah. Oh. Okay. No. Yes. Are these the same thing? I feel like they are the same thing. Okay, so I'm gonna try the other ones. So let me see here. I'm gonna try like the other ones. Okay, so there's a dance party one. Continue. Write the age. I'm gonna put a random age. I'm gonna put 21 plus. Okay, so I'm gonna make this. Oh, this is copyrighted. I cannot put this. Yeah. Wait. Guys, I don't know if I can put this because it's kind of copyrighted. It's gonna
ad block.
So guys, I cannot do dance party because of the copyrighted music on this. So I'm very sorry about this. Also, probably music lab too, so I can't really do that either. So I'll just go try the generation AI for Minecraft. You got to put. You don't have to put it. Actually, yeah, we don't have to put it. No, Minecraft. Okay. If Minecraft didn't open, you may need to download and install that. You need to download Minecraft Education. But that's actually kind of crazy. I really thought that we could like actually like try this. I guess not. Wait, let me check. Explore curriculum. If not, if we don't get this, we could always just try the ocean one. But of course, I can't really do that because like the copyrighted music on this. Okay, we could continue on that. Okay, we could also just change it to some of them. Wait, that actually sounds actually good, not gonna lie. Great job, you wrote your first line of code. Oh, thanks. I work together with coders to build cool products. I'm a product manager. In college, I study history to understand people. Now I study music listeners to learn about what they love and what they don't. I use this knowledge and my imagination to come up with creative solutions. Next, you'll get creative by experimenting with sound combinations. Ooh. Wait, that's actually pretty cool. Okay.
Hey, I just met. It's hard to look at.
I'm gonna get copyrighted for this. Okay. Sorry if this is actually getting copyrighted. I'm not very sure about doing this again. Yeah.
And I need to share with you.
Wait, that's actually sound pretty good. But that actually sounds pretty good though. Not gonna lie. Where? Oh. Never.
Whenever.
Okay, wait.
Whenever. Whenever.
Okay, wait. Let me see this.
Whenever. Wherever. We're meant to be together.
Okay. That actually sounds pretty cool though. Wait, that's it? Yeah. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. So, guys, I hope you all like this video. I don't think this is really AI, genuinely, for my opinion. So, I'm not really sure on how this works. So, thank you for watching the video and make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification for more of the videos to see later on. So, bye.